Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, you must first remove the side panel. Open the glove box. Remove the side panel. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. There are 4 screws securing the housing, though this model we were filming was missing one. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the glove box back panel. Disengage the sensor wires from their catch. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1022 filters into the housing. The filters interlock in the housing. Try to remember that the tabs need to be facing forward and pointing towards each other. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the wires. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.